Sending money overseas. Let's demystify how your NatWest card reader becomes your secure passport for international transfers. First, log into your NatWest online banking as you normally would. Navigate to the section for making payments or international transfers. You'll be prompted to enter the details of your recipient and the amount you wish to send abroad. Once you've entered all the necessary information, you'll reach the authorization step. This is where your trusty NatWest card reader comes into play. You'll be asked to insert your NatWest debit or credit card into the reader. Follow the on-screen prompts on your card reader. This will typically involve entering your PIN to confirm your identity. This PIN entry is crucial for verifying that it's really you making this secure international transaction. After successfully entering your PIN on the card reader, the device will communicate with NatWest's secure servers. This process verifies your identity and authorizes the transfer, adding a vital layer of protection against unauthorized access and potential fraud. The card reader acts as your personal security token, ensuring that every international money transfer you initiate through online banking is safe. This means you can send funds overseas with confidence, knowing your money is protected. So, next time you need to send money abroad, remember your NatWest card reader is your secure partner in keeping your transactions protected. For more tips and information, visit the NatWest website.